Hello everyone, today we are going over Khmer vowels. In Khmer language there are 23 vowels and most vowels have two sounds. So there are actually 43 distinct sounds and we are going to go over them one by one. Khmer vowels, they are written in brown. The green X is for the consonants. And here are the consonants. So as you can see, Khmer vowels, they're everywhere. They're above, they're behind, they're under consonants, they're just all around. The sounds in blue are to be used with consonants or in blue, and the sounds in red are to be used with consonant O in red. I spent several hours putting this together and I just want to give you information to make connections between just the vowels and the consonants and how they interact with each other. I'm gonna walk you through each vowel and the two sounds that they have and the word sample. So our first vowel is sra-a. Sra-a has two sounds, a, ear. With consonants o, we use the sound a. With consonant O, we use the sound ear. And here, the word is ga-nia. Let's dissect this word a little bit. So ga from the O group, ga, a, ga. And then we have ngo, ear, nia. And then we have ga-nia. The word ga-nia means work. Sra-e. The two sounds are e and e. E, e. The word sample we have is budget. Budget means to close, to shut completely. Ba is from the A and Jo is from the O group. So ba, e, be, nang to, but Jo, I, chi, nang to, jit. We have budget. We have sra-a. The two sounds are A and E. A, E. And the word sample we have here is bay and B. Bay means number 3, B means number 2. So ba from the A, ba over here, and then bo with bo over here, ba and bo, ba, a, bay, bo, e, b. Sra-a has two sounds and they are and u. The word sample here is pa-ta, which means drink water. Pa and tho. Pa and tho. So pa, pa nang ka, pa. Tho, nang ka, ta. So we got pa-ta. Sra-a. Has two sounds and they are u. And the word sample we have, word samples, they are sa and gu. Sa means stupid, gu means is. Like this is nikuchia. Saw, sa, go, gu. So O has two sounds, o and u. O, u, o, u. The word sample is mut, which means lily, lotus. Ko, o, ko, mo, u, mu, nang, tao, mut, ko. ก็หมด The next one we have สระโอ สระโอ has two sounds o u o u and consonants we're going to use are ga and go. Ga, o, go, and then go, u, gu. Go means to stir and gu means to draw. And next we have สระอัว 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 has only one sound and or can be used with all the consonants, with both the R group and the L group. For example, we have tua and yua, tua, yua, ta, and yo over here. Ta or tua, yo or yua, tua, yua. Next vowel is ra'al. So ra'al has two sounds. Our example is ta and chö. Ta means what, chö means wood. Ta chö, to a ta, chö chö. Sra has one sound, yay, Again, like sra it can be used with all consonants with both groups. The same as sra ia, to tua, chö chưa. Tua means short and chưa means believe. Sra ia, kho ia kia, well, kiu means blue. Rau ia ria, no, rien means study, learn. Sra a has two sounds, a. Đò e đề, đầu e tì, đê tì. Đê means to sew, tê is like asking, questioning, like សុខសប្បាយជាទេ សុខសប្បាយទេ ស្រៈអែ ស្រៈអែ has two sounds, I and a. And word samples are gai and nay. So có ai gai, có from group O, có ai gai means correct, to correct, and no, ene means like I think in English it's an equivalent to like hey, like nay, forget it. It's kind of like hey. Sra I. Sra I has two sounds and they are I and a. For the sound I, we have Thai, Tho I Thai. Thai is we call Thai people. Rai means cicada. I think that's what it's called. The next vowel is sra'ao. Ow. Sra'ao has two sounds. It's ow and o. Ow, o. Gaw. Ow, gow. And go. O, go. So gow, go. Gow means to shave. Go means cow. There are two sounds, and they are al and o. Al, o. For example, jaw al jao means grandchild. Do o do means to go. Sra om. There are two sounds. Sra om has two sounds. Om and om. Om. Our example is gom and kom. Go om gom. Kom, kom. Kom is like kom. Kom twin chen. Don't. Don't do it. Kom is commune. Sra Sra has two sounds. And Ka. Come. No. Num. So come, num. The next one we have sra has two sounds. And om. Our word samples are jam and rom. Jam, rom. Jo jam means to remember. Ro rom means to dance. Sra has two sounds and they are and sa and ja. Sa, ja. Sra o has two sounds, o and u. Do, ju, do, ju. Do means to plant, to grow. And then ju is like number 2, like bathroom number 2. And then we have sra e. Sra e. Sra e has two sounds. It's e and I. I. Word samples are che and ni. Jo e che. No I ni. Okay, our last one. Finally. Number 23 is sra ah. Also has two sounds and they are and u. U. Our word samples are ka and nu. Ka nu. That island. Anyway, ka nu, that's what it means. Ka means island, nu means that. So ka, no, nu, ka, nu. I'm gonna go over the vowels again. So I have sra a, sra e, sra a, sra 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 o, sra o, sra o, sra a, sra sra I, sra e, sra a, sra I, sra ao, sra au, sra 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 a, sra o, sra e, sra a. Now I'm gonna go over the vowels again and I'm gonna include also the second sound. A, I, e, I, a, I, ow, o, I hope that's helpful to you. Just listen closely to my pronunciation, and try to repeat. Try to go through the vowel one by one again and again, and I think it should help now that you know which vowel, like which sound to use with which consonants. I think that's very important, especially, you know, in our future videos when we, you know, get into like writing and stuff. That's gonna help a lot. Now go practice. Okay. Bye bye.